Are you worried about your Asana account being open on multiple devices? Or maybe you just want to make sure your project data stays secure? Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to log out of Asana on all devices, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly and confidently log out everywhere, so your team's information stays safe and you can have some peace of mind. Let's get started right away. The first goal is to log out of all other sessions, meaning any computers, phones, or tablets you've accessed Asana from in the past. Maybe you logged in from an old work laptop, or you checked your tasks on a friend's tablet. These sessions can linger, which isn't ideal if you're concerned about privacy. Start by opening up a web browser and logging into your Asana account. You need to do this part in a browser, not the mobile app, because some security settings are only available here. Type in your credentials and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. This is your entry point for lots of account options. Go ahead and click that. If you don't see it right away, double check that you're actually signed in with your primary account because this icon is tied to your individual login. In the menu that pops up, click on Settings. Think of Settings as the control center for everything about your account. This is where tweaks and security changes happen. You'll be greeted by several tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled Account. Sometimes it's tempting to explore the other tabs, but for logging out everywhere, Account is where we need to go. Now, scroll down gently until you see the Security section. Go slowly, as these sections are easy to miss if you rush. A tip here: if you're doing this on a smaller screen like a laptop, make sure you scroll all the way. Sometimes the security features are tucked near the very bottom. Inside Security, you'll find an option called Log Out of Other Sessions. This is the big one. When you click it, Asana will log you out from every device except the one you're currently using. It's sort of like resetting the locks on every door except the one you're standing in front of. Go ahead and click it. Don't worry if you get a notification or a quick confirmation pop-up. That's just Asana letting you know it's doing its job. We're halfway there. You've now cleaned up all those lingering logins and can rest easy knowing that nobody, anywhere else, can access your projects unless they log in again. But your current browser session is still active. For total security, especially if you're finishing up or about to leave a shared computer, the last step is logging out from your current session. It's a simple process. Click your profile icon one more time, again in the bottom right corner. This time, pick Log Out from the drop-down menu. This logs you out everywhere, including this browser, so after you do this, you'll need to sign in again if you want access. And that's it. If you followed along, your Asana account is now secure, signed out everywhere, and protected from prying eyes. I hope this helped you feel a bit more in control of your online workspace. If you found this video useful, hit like, and if you have questions, maybe something didn't look quite like what I showed, drop a comment below and I'd be happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on keeping your digital world safe and organized. Thanks for watching.